Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, today's our lesson is match the beginning sound with pictures and write the middle and ending sound also. Now let's start our work. Children, now let's start our work. What is this, children? This is B, and the sound of B is B. Now let's see that which picture is giving the sound of B. What is this, children? Yes, this is leg. Hen, her hen. This is red, red. This is bed, bed. Children, this means this is the bed, and the spelling of bed is B E D. What is the spelling of bed? B E D. What was the spelling of bed? B E D. Bed. Now children, you will match the spelling of B with the picture of B. With the picture of bed. And which sound is this? This is And which picture starts from the sound of This is leg, hen, red, bed, net. Net. And the spelling of net is N E T, net. Now children, we will match the spelling of net with the picture of net. Now children, tell me, which sound is this? This is P. P. And which picture start from the sound of P? Leg, her hen, red, pen. Yes. And the spelling of pen is P E N, pen. Now children, we will match the spelling of pen with the picture of pen. Now children, what is this? This is T, and the sound of T is T. T. And which picture starts from the T? Leg, hen, red, ten. Yes, the 10 starts from the sound of T. Now we will write the spelling of 10. T-E-N, 10. Now children, you will match the spelling of 10 with the picture of 10. Children, this is H, and the sound of H is H. And which picture starts from the sound of H? Leg, her hen. Yes. Now we will write here the spelling of hen. H-E-N, hen. What is the spelling of hen? H-E-N, hen. Now children, we will match the spelling of hen with the picture of hen. What is this, children? Which sound is this? This is E. Yes. And which picture starts from the sound of L? This is leg. Yes. And the spelling of leg is L-E-G, leg. What is the spelling of leg? L-E-G, leg. Now children, we will match the spelling of leg with the picture of leg. We will match the spelling of leg to the picture of leg. What is this children? This is J, and the spelling of and the sound of J is J. And which picture starts from the sound of J? Red, J, jet. Yes, and the spelling of jet is J E T, jet. Now we will match the spelling of jet with the picture of jet. Children, this is R. R. And the sound of R is R. R. And which picture starts from the sound of R? Red. Yes. And the spelling of red is R E D. What is the spelling of red? R E D, red. Now children, we will match the spelling of red to the picture of red. Children, I hope you will understand that how can we match the beginning sounds with pictures.